Oh, my stomach.
Muhammad, you've gained a lot of weight. Staying home and being bored probably means you're reaching for unhealthy foods and snacks many times a day. Well, don't end up like Muhammad. Follow our videos for simple, delicious, and healthy foods. Hey Stage Squad! My name is Aya.
And I am Muhammad.
Welcome to our show! Before we begin, we would like to mention that Haneen is starting her own YouTube channel very soon.
Make sure to subscribe so you'll be among the first to know. In order for this channel to grow and reach more people,
please help us out by subscribing, liking, and sharing to everybody you know.
Let's get started.
Don't forget to scrub those hands.
2 cups of fresh or frozen fruit, strawberries or peaches.
A half cup of water.
A 1/3 cup of local honey.
1 tablespoon of concentrated lemon.
2 tablespoons of chia seeds if you're making strawberry jam.
The steps are super simple. Combine the fruit of your choice along with water, honey, and lemon in a medium pot over medium heat for about 20 minutes.
Once the fruit start to fall apart, use a potato masher to break them up even more.
About 18 minutes in, add the chia seeds.
If you like the chunky texture, then you're all good to go. If you would like it smoother, pour it into the blender and pulse a few times.
Now pour it into a mason jar and refrigerate. Leave it for a few hours until the texture is a little more firm. That's it! You did it! Delicious jam. Enjoy it on toast, bagels, ice cream, or yogurt.
Bismillah.
Now this is the best thing on the face of earth.
I can't even taste the honey.
It's super healthy. You're eating a mix of fruits and honey. Actually, it's so delicious you won't even taste the honey.
The lemon is not only for taste. Adding lemon in this recipe will prevent the growth of bacteria when stored in a jar.
Boiling it is important to jam making because it releases pectin from the fruit, which allows the jam to come together and give it that jammy texture.
Believe it or not, store-bought jam contains chia seeds. They are super healthy and make the jam thicker.
Yummy.
STH Squad, we need your support
to continue bringing simple, delicious, and healthy videos.
Please like, share, and hit the subscribe button.
Click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Oh my, you gained a lot. No. Staying home and being bored means you're probably reaching for unhealthy foods and snacks many times a day. And, don't forget to give those hands. You won't believe how many harmful ingredients are in stars. Stop.